experiencing a reboot loop on your SEAT Arona's infotainment system for 2018-2023 models? This issue, often software-related, causes the system to restart continuously. The primary fix is a software update via SEAT's Connect platform. Ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot. Check for over-the-air updates in the infotainment settings, specifically looking for firmware version 4.2.1 or later, released in Q3 2025. This update addresses compatibility issues with Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, as well as memory leaks. If an OTA update isn't available, visit your SEAT dealer for a USB-based update. Before any update, ensure your car battery has sufficient charge above 12 volts to prevent interruptions. Note, most issues are software-related. If the update doesn't resolve the reboot loop, hardware factors may be involved. Faulty USB ports can cause issues, especially during charging. Dealers can replace these. A factory reset is another option, but back up any personal data first, as it will be erased. If problems persist, diagnostic tools like VCDS are needed to check for error codes. To prevent future loops, keep your infotainment system updated, avoid overloading it with unnecessary apps, and ensure your car battery is healthy. Regular over-the-air updates address 70% of common issues, while hardware repairs might be needed for the other 30%, which will likely require professional assistance. Keep an eye out for OTAs in the future too, as this is how these issues are resolved 70% of the time.